If you're trying to rank a local business higher in Google search results, then you need to pay attention to video. So what I'm going to show you is how you can optimize a YouTube channel to help not just your website, but also your Google business profile. And there's tons of gurus out there that'll tell you how to rank your YouTube videos higher, but we're going to focus just on helping a local business get more customers from the most important place, which is Google Maps. And that's because the vast majority of people now will look for a local business on Google Maps or Google Search and click over to the Google business profile. So you need to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking as highly as possible. And so I'm going to use ours as the example here. So you can see this is us. And then we also have our website, which is important to help for SEO as well, as it is the same for many small businesses. And so what I'm going to show you now is how we use our YouTube channel to drive authority to both our Google business profile and our website so that we can show up more when someone types in our most important search terms, which are like Google business profile optimization software. All right. So the first thing is we need to make sure that our Google business profile is getting a lot of love in this video SEO. So if we have a look at what we did here for this video to make sure that our Google business profile was getting some SEO juice from it, we made sure that we put in our address so that, again, we can show Google where we're located. And we also put in the share link of our Google business profile. So if I go over here and I open it in a new tab, you can see we are linking to our Google business profile from that YouTube description, which kind of connects them so that Google knows that these two things are now related. And on top of that, you can see we linked to our YouTube channel from our Google business profile. So you want to make sure that you're doing that as well. We also added our phone number. And the reason that we did that is because everybody knows that having your name, address, and place consistent across the internet can help you rank higher in local search results. And so again, we're putting information that is available on our Google business profile in the video description, just giving Google more proof that this business operates here and that this is in fact the same business. Okay. The next thing that we wanted to do is make sure that our website was also getting some love, because if we're going through all this effort, we might as well make sure that we're getting the most bang for our buck. And so that's why here we are putting in our website URL so that as people are watching the video, maybe they can click over to our URL itself. And so what this looks like on a published video, here, if you go into the comment section or the description, you can see our website's showing up here. The link to our Google business profile is here. Our address is here. Our phone number is here, and we also link to all of our other assets just to help spread the love everywhere, right? Because it's all about training Google on what's important. And now, if you're wondering, I'm a local business, how should I make videos, right? Like, I don't have the time or the budget to do that, or you're a marketing agency and you don't want to hire someone to do this. Well, what I want to do is show you how you can automate the creation of videos like this one, where it takes images from the business and puts them together in a video and writes an SEO-optimized description for this video, completely automated. So actually, everything that I've showed you so far, our team didn't have to do manually at all. It just automatically happened. And it was all thanks to a product called Paige. So Paige is a fully automated Google business profile management platform, which helps with all of your local marketing because it all ties back to your Google business profile to help you show up where people are searching the most. And so if you found this video to be helpful, then please hit the like button. And if you have questions, put them in the comment section below and we will answer them as quickly as possible. And subscribe to the channel so that you never miss our future marketing advice. Thanks.